Hey everyone, it's Lainey and welcome back to another video on my channel, Lucky Marketing. In this video, I'll be discussing what to look for when purchasing a gaming headset. If you're an avid gamer, you know that a good headset can make all the difference when it comes to immersing yourself in a game. But if you're new, you might not know the factors to consider when planning to purchase a headset. The first and most important thing to consider when purchasing a gaming headset is audio quality. You want a headset that can deliver clear, detailed sound so you can hear all the important details of your games. Look for headsets with surround sound capabilities, as this can help with spatial awareness in games like first-person shooters. Frequency range is also important, as a wider range can deliver more accurate sound reproduction. Comfort is also crucial, especially if you're planning on gaming for extended periods of time. Look for headsets with padded ear cups and a lightweight design so you can game in comfort. You may also want to consider the shape of the ear cups, as over-ear cups can provide better noise isolation and comfort than on-ear cups. If you plan on using your headset for online gaming or streaming, you'll want to consider the microphone quality. Look for a headset with a clear, noise-canceling microphone that can pick up your voice accurately without picking up background noise. Some headsets also feature detachable microphones, which can be convenient if you only need to use the headset for listening. Make sure the headset you choose is compatible with your gaming platform, whether that's PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or something else. Wired headsets typically offer the most reliable and high-quality connections, but wireless options can provide more freedom of movement. Look for headsets with low latency connections to minimize audio delay and keep you in sync with your games. Now that you know what to look for in a gaming headset, let's take a look at some popular options on the market. First up, we have the HyperX Cloud 2. This headset is known for its excellent sound quality with 7.1 virtual surround sound and a frequency range of 15 Hz to 25 kHz. It's also comfortable to wear with memory foam ear cups and a durable aluminum frame. Another popular option is the SteelSeries Arctis 7. This headset features a sleek, modern design and delivers excellent sound quality thanks to its DTS Headphone X 2.0 technology. It's also incredibly comfortable to wear with a ski goggle style headband and airweave ear cushions. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye everyone!